What's up, YouTube fam? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you're having a great day. Just want to let everybody know that we really appreciate your comments, appreciate your likes, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we can keep growing the channel. And if you want to start your RobinHood account, my link's down in the description. And remember, you'll get a free stock, I'll get a free stock, so we'll both benefit and grow our investment portfolio. So with this video, let's get right into it. I did something that I've never seen anybody do before. I did something that was a little different, but I wanted to see what would happen if I did this certain thing. And it was very surprising. It was very eye-opening, because one of the things that I'm learning, and as you're learning with me, as we grow in investing, is that sometimes whatever Robinhood chooses as a top mover, for what we're doing in investing with a smaller account, investing into penny stocks, it sometimes doesn't work out. So I'm actually going to show you, as you can see on my screen already, that whenever I started out this day, this was probably the worst day I have had with investing, and it hurt. For the day, literally $59 in the hole, and then thank God for after hours, because we rose up by $26, and so that really helped to offset some of that hit from the normal trading hours. And then I want to go take you through what I did, and you can see how crazy it was, but I wanted to show everybody that you can't really trust the top movers from Robinhood when it comes to trading, and especially whenever you're swing trading. Now remember that penny stocks are very volatile, especially whenever they happen to be on the top movers of the Robinhood platform. Now, I don't think that Robinhood is doing this on purpose. I just think it's the nature of the game. And so I want to show you what I did so that you can see, learn, and grow from what I learned from testing this out, and we can all grow together and start looking at new strategies and new ways of finding those penny stocks that are going to help our accounts grow and help our accounts keep getting those green days. So we're going to go to the screen. I went through and purchased 3 stocks from the top 18 top movers yesterday at 2:40, starting at 2:45 p.m. And I wanted to purchase 3 stocks from the 18 and see, okay, if these are the top 18 stocks doing well today, I'm gonna purchase 3 stocks from them, and then I'm gonna let them go through, and then I'm gonna trade them in the morning and see how everything went. And to my surprise, out of those 18 stocks, only 4 of them went into the green the very next day. How could these top stocks, almost the top 20 stocks within Robinhood, top performers, in the price range from $1 to $5, and I know there is one in there for $24. I accidentally purchased that one, but I went ahead and kept it. But how could these top stocks go one day from being at the very, very top, and all of a sudden they tank? And this is where swing trading and trying to trust in those top improvers, those most popular stocks, it's not going to work. There's actually some more things that I've learned through doing this test, and I wanted to show you that as well. So you can see, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, that we go through these stocks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think that was, and then all of a sudden, this one is barely breaking over, and it's at 0%, and I think this one ended up turning red for the day. And this is something that you can see. This is TruLife Investing. This is what we, as we're trying to invest and grow our portfolio, this happens, and you have to think, well, who am I supposed to trust? What am I supposed to do? And so I've got another test that I'm going to be doing tomorrow when I start investing, and I'm really excited about it. I was really excited about testing this because I had a feeling, and when sometimes you got to do crazy things, and you got to try it out, because right now is the time to test. Right now is the time to figure out, those crazy ideas that you have, and may work or may not work with our account at the size that it's at. And so one of the things that I wanted to show you is, as you saw, these stocks, these were the top 18 of the ones that had the highest percent increase from yesterday on from when the day started to where the day ended. So I'm going to take this away, and I'm going to go to something that I noticed. There was 4 of these stocks that I held on to, and those were the 4 that were in the green. And then I noticed something about them as the day started to progress. So I noticed that around a certain time period, something happened. So if we go through the day, it started off in the negative, and I'm sorry, this one wasn't one, but this is one of the examples I wanted to bring and show you. Look at the time frame of whenever it gets to essentially around this time. Around the 10:30 to 11 o'clock, it starts to decline. So let's go to the next one. Remember, okay, so this is Cosmos Energy. This is engages in the exploration, development, and production of oil and gas. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is a biotechnology, biopharmaceutical type of stock. It's a biopharmaceutical company. They focus on the discovery, development, and the commercialization of therapeutic products for diseases such as diabetes and cancer. Started off great in the morning, started going up. Now let's watch the time. Around 10:30. All right, let's go to the next one. Ocean Power Technologies. Remember, gas, energy, pharmaceuticals. Now we got electronics, renewable energy generation. We look at it, it's grown, and then all of a sudden, around a certain time frame, 10:30 to 11, what does it do? Tank. Last one, I promise. Started off good in the positive, was doing great. Got to a certain time frame, then what happened? 10:30, 11, started tanking. And I noticed this trend today because, these were just 4 out of those set of 18 stocks that I've chosen that I thought, okay, it could, I'm going to keep these and just watch them throughout the day. I'm going to see if these stocks can, bring back the losses from those other 14 stocks. I want to, have at least a green day. And you can see my account. They kept it. And then all of a sudden, it started to go down. So I'm not saying that there's something here, but I'm definitely saying that there's a trend that needs to be acknowledged. And that when it comes to certain penny stocks, of them, their growth, and then whenever their decline, and then them being the top improvers from the previous day, that we have to, start looking at what's actually happening with these stocks and where things are going. And so, as a test, I went ahead, I purchased 75 shares of AFH. This stock happened to do really well. For this day alone, it grew 271%. This is what kind of helped to bring back that huge loss that I had and bring it back $26. So that was awesome. It was a great stock pick. But it's one thing that as we learn more and as we grow more, we're going to learn more and see things like these trends and notice things about the time frames in which things trade and which things sell and when people are buying. And so I'm going to bring this information to you. I'm going to be the one to be the guinea pig, and I'm going to show you these crazy things that are happening and test them out so that you can see from my experience of TruLife Investing what happens when you do these certain things. And I think that tomorrow, I have a really good feeling about tomorrow. And so I'm super excited about doing this new test that you'll see in a couple days in the new video. And I can't wait to show you. And really appreciate all the support. We appreciate all the comments. And we're going to keep growing. We're going to keep learning and growing this investment portfolio. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button. My name is Joel with TruLife Investing. You have a great day.